Yeah, absolutely. I think simplicity is another part of that. That, if you don't have a product, a CRM that you're using that your team finds simple to use, easy to understand, because oftentimes it's just, I don't even know why. The rule of the world is salespeople maybe not the best tech savvy. I love it when I find a tech savvy salesperson, but they're such a rare breed. And so you need to make sure that what you have is easy for people to use and easy to understand. And we had this problem with Podio. Our first version of a CRM for real estate investors was built on Podio. And we would have conversations with customers and they'd be like, man, I love your system. It helps me keep track of everything. But it took 3 months for my salespeople to fully understand what to do, where to go, and how to use it. And that is what encouraged us to go build our own software, because we wanted to make something so simple that anybody could log in and within 1 to 2 days understand how to use the system, and be adept in following up with those leads. And that, based off of the surveys and the conversations that we have with customers, is definitely what we have now.